I am Habib Ahmed Shah from Habib's English Academy, and in our today's class, we are going to learn a technique of essay writing that will help you to improve your essay writing. Today's technique is LED technique, which is very essential, used internationally to improve one's essay. This brings clarity in your essay writing and it improves the flow of how your essay runs. CSS, PCS, PMS and other competitive examinations and video, LED technique in essay writing is our today's topic. LED is a technique, as I told earlier, which tells us three things: link, explain and develop. This stands for linking, explaining and developing your essay writing. Introduction. The LED technique is a helpful framework for writing clear, well-structured and effective essay. If you want to write a clear, well-structured and effective essays, so LED is the technique that you must use. What is a clear essay? In a clear essay, everything is very clear, very obvious, and the reader understands your essay writing very easily. First thing. Next thing, the essay writing that you write, whether it is on a simple topic like your introduction, my family, or it is on a bigger topic like CSS, PCS level topics like CPEG, corruption, etc., or it's a philosophy topic, etc. You are writing any essay, so it depends upon this technique that is called the LED technique. Your essay will be well structured and it will be an effective essay which will have a lasting impression on the audience or your reader. LED stands for link, explain and develop. How to link? Now, LED stands for linking. L stands for linking. You will link your one sentence to the previous sentence and your next sentence to this sentence. The first thing. Next thing, you will link and connect your this paragraph to the previous paragraph and the next paragraph to this paragraph. So that is the linking. First of all, you have to link it. Next thing, explain. You have to explain what you are describing. All the essay, whatever you are saying, whatever you are writing in your essay, you have to explain that thing in very easy way, in very easy terms. Avoiding the jargon, avoiding the terminology of the essay, you have to write very simple language. The main aim and main focus of your essay writing that you write daily, you practice daily for your competitive examinations or general practice should be that you have to use very simple language. Next thing, you have to develop the ideas from your previous ones and go on, keep on going. This technique helps you to create a logical flow of ideas, making your essay more coherent, clear and engaging. What does this technique do? This technique is very helpful in it makes your ideas flow logically. It goes according to the logic and makes your ideas flow logically, making your essay more coherent. What is coherent? Coherent means that your essay goes very finely in a coherent manner and it is very clear. When your essay is clear, so it is engaging. The audience will be attracted to read your essay. Furthermore, these are the internal techniques that you must take care of while writing an essay that you write daily. Apart from that, you have to take care of your writing too, your handwriting, which should be clear, very concise and very appropriate so that it is very easily understandable. As we are talking about the internal qualities of it, that it should be clear. Secondly, the essay writing should also be clear from its physical form, like from the site. This technique is going to completely change your essay writing if you follow it completely. Link your essay, your ideas, your paragraph to the previous one and to the next one. Second thing, explain your things in a clear language, avoiding all jargon and terminology. Third thing, develop your essay so that it goes smoothly. Now, what is the method of it? Number one, link. Start by linking your sentence or paragraph to the previous idea. Whatever idea you told previously, introduction you have done, that is a separate body. And after that, the body paragraphs will come. The body paragraphs must be interconnected with the previous ideas, be they sentences or the complete ideas. This helps to create a smooth transition between your ideas. Linking will help you to transition from one idea to the other. When we move from one thing to the next one very quickly or abruptly, it feels very haphazard, and we don't understand that what the person was saying first and what he is saying now. And the next thing, that this helps to create a smooth transition between your ideas that transition very finely, and they are understandable, that it goes well. Number two, explain the idea or concept you are discussing. Explain the idea in very easy language. You have to explain the idea or the concept that you are describing. Provide more information, details, or examples to support your point. Your idea is easy, but still you have to explain it well by the LED technique, by providing information, details, and examples. Whatever point you have, these all information, ideas, expert opinions will support your idea and make it more vibrant, make it more obvious to the reader. Number three, develop your idea further by providing more analysis, evaluation, or discussion. Develop your idea. Make it more strong. Like a baby is born, it is feeble, but when it grows and eats food, and it just means that it has the knowledge, so it grows into a built body and a perfect structure. So develop your essay by providing more analysis of yourself or of the experts, evaluation, and discussion on it. Discuss more on it so that the essay is developed further. This helps to deepen the reader's understanding and engagement. By doing this discussion, the reader's engagement and understanding will improve and your essay will look good. Apply LED technique in all type of essays. We have learned lots of kind of essays: expository essay, descriptive essay, narrative essay, or any kind of essay. By using LED technique, you are going to completely transform your essay into a miracle. Please use it and have the results afterwards. Thank you.